Today I'll be discussing the 3 top reasons we see why people are denied a TN visa. Welcome. If you haven't visited our channel before, my name is Jeremy Richards and I am a U.S. immigration lawyer with the law offices of Richards and Jurusik. We have over 20 years of combined experience helping people live and work in the United States. And one of those expertises that we have is dealing with TN visas and the issues that come along with applying for TN visas, and specifically TN visa denials. In this video today, I'll be discussing the 3 most common reasons we see why a TN visa is denied. The first reason we see people denied for TN visas is because they are simply not qualified for a TN visa. This could be because the profession that they're applying under is not a TN visa profession under the USMCA or NAFTA, or they don't have the required education or qualifications for that profession under USMCA or NAFTA. The second reason we see people denied for TN visas is because they were improperly prepared or did not have the required documentation at the time of their application. This can be easily done. People assume that they have a job offer from a U.S. employer. They simply take that to the border and they're on their way. That is not the case. Many times those offer letters are not written properly. Maybe it's not an original offer letter. Maybe it's even for a profession that isn't under the USMCA or NAFTA, even though the job duties may be closely aligned to a profession under the USMCA. Maybe the person didn't bring their original documents with them, their original degrees or certificates. Maybe they didn't have a translation of a foreign language document. Maybe they didn't have a credentials evaluation for a degree that was outside of North America. Many reasons can lead to a denial based on improper documentation. The third reason that we see TN visas denied is due to poor legal advice. Unfortunately, there are a lot of lawyers out there that do not understand the TN visa application process. And even if they do, it's limited. And maybe they don't have the experience to deal with issues that maybe a Canadian will deal with at a port of entry, or the exceptions that apply to Canadians. A lot of law firms deal with H-1Bs or L-1 visas, and they deal with foreign nationals from India or China, but when it comes to dealing with Canadians, they don't have the slightest idea how to handle their cases or to process a TN visa. And this leads to poor legal advice and, unfortunately, a lot of TN visa denials. If you have been denied for a TN visa, the best advice I can give is to seek advice from a qualified and experienced U.S. immigration lawyer that has specific TN visa experience. We offer a free case assessment. We'll be able to review your documents, have a discussion about the reasons for your denial, and determine what your options might be to reapply for a TN visa. In many cases, you can return to a port of entry with the proper documentation and reapply. Other cases, you might have to file by mail with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. And in the worst case scenario, you may not qualify and reapplying may be a poor decision on your part. In any case, give us a call if you have any questions about the TN visa process, U.S. immigration law in general. You can email us, you can visit our website, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and like it so that YouTube can share this content with those that are looking for similar information. Thank you for watching and have a great day.